What's up, comic fans? Welcome back to the channel. This update is going to be a little different because it's a two-parter. In both videos, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom comic book gift bottles. To create this bottle, you're only going to need a few things. All the items will be in the description box below. I'm ready to create this first bottle. Hope you are too. Grab your supplies and let's get started.
Your chin next to my chin. Try to hold my breath in. Don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin. Watching you sleep is comforting. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Your hands tossing my hand. Want your fingers everywhere. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Peeking through the curtains, it's time for me to go. Reality is hurting.
I actually created this bottle as a gift for a friend and she was happy to have it. Your last step is to protect your bottle with a few coats of Mod Podge. As simple as this DIY was, I encourage you to go and make your own. Now would be the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell. Remember, part 2 of this bottle series will be uploaded next week, so make sure you're subscribed. Clicking the notification bell will let you know when that video is uploaded. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. I'm heading out, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.